Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to hide messages on iPhone when your screen is locked. To do that, all you have to do, go to settings, click on settings. In here you have to scroll down and see the option called notifications. Click on notifications, and in notifications you have to come down and scroll down till you find an option called messages. Click on your messages, and here you are in an important tab. So what you have to do, click on the show reviews in options, click on it. So these are three main options. In the first option, that is always default, you will be able to see messages when the screen is locked. In when unlocked is when your iPhone is unlocked, then you will be going to see messages in here. You can see it now in here, but you won't be seeing it when it is locked. And in never, you would never see any messages in here on this upper bar where either your screen is locked or unlocked. So when you're receiving a message, nobody's going to see it at the first place, so you can see it on the other side. So I'll leave it as like it's never, because that's the right option. Because when somebody privately texts you, you don't want anybody to see it, or you're doing something, you don't want anybody to open your computer or laptop or mobile to see it. So if you think this video helped you to hide or hide your messages while your screen is locked, then please make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave us a comment. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.